you can enjoy hours and hours of entertainment, you'll first need to install the stand to your new TV. Your TV's bezel and stand may look different than the one pictured, but the process is the same for 2018 8 Series TVs. Let's make sure you have everything you need to get started: the stand mount, stand base, and the 8 provided screws. These include 4 short screws and 4 long. Also, make sure you have a Phillips head screwdriver. Next, go ahead and remove the stand mount cover and set it to the side for now. Take the stand mount and align it to the stand base. Using the 4 longer screws, securely attach them together. Attach the stand by sliding the tabs into the slots. Then secure the stand to the TV using the 4 shorter screws. Grab a pal to help you move your TV into place. Now you're all set to make your connections. Connect the power cable and run it along the grooves at the bottom. Then run the cable through the back of the stand mount to hide your cable. Finally, attach the stand mount cover. You can now safely remove the black protective pads. You're ready to go! Have fun exploring your new TV.